Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to Learn French with Sapna. Today we'll discuss CBSE 2025 Grade 10 French Board Paper Series IGEFH Set 4 Section C Grammar 30 marks 8B exercise. Remplacer les mots soulignés avec les pronoms personnels e, en, etc. Now in this exercise we have to replace the words which are underlined with pronoun personal. There are 5 sentences and each sentence carries 1 mark. So the total exercise is of 5 marks. Let's start with the first sentence. Bien dash-tu, then voyez, se pake, ate para question mark. Now in this sentence, first we'll see there are 2 verbs. One is conjugated and one is written in the infinitive form. That means all the pronoun personal will be written before the infinitive form of the verb, that is envoyer. Second, let's ask the question qui and quoi. After envoyer, when we ask qui or quoi, we get an answer se pake. So se pake is the answer to quoi. That means what? And the answer is these packets. Then we ask the question a qui, that is to whom, and we get an answer a te para, that means this is COI. So se pake will be replaced as LES because it is masculine plural, and a te para is plural, that is why it will be replaced by LEUR, lur. So the sentence becomes via dash tu the le lur envoyer question mark. Here I have highlighted le and lur in bold so that you notice how we have to replace, but when you are writing in the board papers, do not do anything like that. And also I've written the bracket category of the pronoun personal, COD and COI, which you don't have to write in your board paper. Let's see the second sentence. Nous avons lu tous les contes de fées. Now if you notice, the entire word is being underlined. That means we have to replace this. Again, let's ask the question qui or quoi, and we get an answer of quoi, that is all the fairy tales. Here the sentence is passé composé. So what do? We have to put the COD replacement LES because the noun is in third person plural, but we will write le before the auxiliary avo. And since the rule says that if the sentence is in past tense and the underlined words are replaced by COD, then you also have to accord the verb. So tous les contes is third person plural. We will add S to lu. So the sentence becomes nous les avons lus. Let's see the third sentence. Elle adore faire le jardinage, full stop. Elle va arroser les plantes. So in this sentence, there are 2 sentences and we have to replace the nouns in the respective sentence. Let's see the first sentence. Elle adore faire le jardinage. Let's ask the question after faire, quoi, and we get an answer, le jardinage. And since faire is written in infinitive form, we will write le before faire. In the second sentence, elle va arroser les plantes. So les plantes also gives an answer to COD, quoi, and we'll write LES before arroser. So the sentence becomes elle adore le faire, full stop, elle va les arroser. Since both sentences are different, you have to write pronoun personal in the respective sentences. Let's see the fourth sentence. L'équipe, comma, elle joue très bien le football. So here, l'équipe and then there's a comma, and we have learned that whenever there is a noun after which there is a comma and the subject pronoun, the noun changes to tonic. And since equip is feminine, we will change to L. So L, comma, L, and after joue, we get an answer to COD, quoi, that is le football. So we are going to write le before the verb joue. So sentence becomes elle, elle le joue très bien. Let's see the fifth sentence. Les touristes ont acheté des chocolats dans la chocolaterie. Now, if you remember that any noun which has the parative articles, du, the, la, del apostrophe and they changes to en, and dans la chocolaterie is a place, that means it will change to y. And the rule is first y comes and then en comes. Also, this is the passé composé, so we'll write the pronoun personal before the avoir. So the sentence becomes Les touristes ont acheté. So this was the explanation of all the 5 sentences. If you have any query, you can refer to the video already uploaded on pronoun personal. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel Learn French with Sapna on YouTube and Learn French with Sapna _ on Instagram. Thank you for learning. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.